From the time I first heard about this and I saw the demo, very encouraged. So all that I want to say is that from the time I first heard about this and I saw the demo, very encouraged, because this is a solution that we are looking at, fundamentally, which is easy to use, easy to adopt, and drives efficiency and productivity. So that's why I'm very fairly well enthused with the kind of solution that you showed me. And the good thing is that it has both from the sales rep to the supervisor and the digital cockpit, which tells us exactly how we are doing, where we are doing, what can we do better. AI supports that decision-making process, which gives us that incremental sale. I think that's what excites me more, because then you can drive the productivity of the resource on the ground. So the intelligent backend helps you drive the front end. Thank you so much.